Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today we have Justin Arnold. He's going to walk you through the process of using our website.
All right, so I'm here to answer some questions that we get frequently from different callers. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit about how our website works. So the very first problem we run into a lot is people going directly to a search engine such as this one and typing in Integrity Delivers. That's going to get you to a bunch of different results that aren't going to be helpful. So just want to remind everyone to always go up to your browser bar up top and type out the address www.integritydelivers.com, and then that'll get you directly to our website. All right, so once you reach our website, there's a couple different ways. You can scroll down and check out the different options that we have. Right here in the middle of the screen, you'll see you can do online training, live webinar, or on-site for larger companies. But the best way, honestly, is just to go to the top and hover over Get Trained right here. From here, you're going to have a couple different options as far as, what kind of training are you looking for? If you're an independent contractor who's just looking for certification in your name that does not cover your company, you go to online courses, and as you scroll down, the very first course you come up to is specimen handling and transportation for first-time students. That is the most basic course that everyone needs as far as independent contractors go. That will get you your bloodborne and HIPAA for 1 year, and you just click enroll now. So once you get to this page, you fill out all your information. It's going to have you create a username and password, and then all your payment information. If you have a coupon, there's a button down here at the bottom that a lot of people seem to miss. It says have a coupon. Once you click on that, you can enter your coupon code there and hit apply, and then that will apply that to the transaction on the right. After you do this, you'll have immediate access to start the course. So that is how that works. Pretty simple. Now we're going to go back to our main page, integritydelivers.com. And I'm going to show you how to set up for your company. So when you're on our main page, you hover over Get Trained, and you want to go down to live webinars. So we've got two different options for getting your company certified. We got the new startup companies option. That's $259. That covers 1 to 2 people in the company. You also get a certificate with your company's name on it. You get an owner admin manual with different documents in there to help you defend your company if you're ever audited. And it also has some reproducible documents in there as well. And then if you've got more people than that, we have our established businesses course, which is $399, and that covers 3 to 4 people. You also get a dispatch manual on top of that owner manual that you get with the other option there. So it's just really basically what your needs are. But let's say you wanted to go with the $259 option, click on register. So this page, you scroll down, obviously select the type of training that you're going to go with. And then that'll open up all the different training dates that are available at that time. So right now there's the rest of the ones for December when we're recording this. And then if you have any additional employees over the 2 credits that you get for that package, you just click here and that will add in the different amount of drivers that you need to get trained. We also have spill kits available if you're interested in that. Every driver should definitely have a spill kit. You don't have to get it from us. We just offer it because we've had a lot of people ask where to get those. So that's something we are now offering on our site. And then just further down here, you just fill out your company name, you put in your personal information, and then trainee number 2, obviously put in their information here, and then email address, go through, fill all of that out. And we've got billing information down below. So it's all pretty self-explanatory, but we have changed some things here since we did our last video. So just wanted to give everyone some updates and show you what it looks like now. So that's basically what it boils down to, is 2 different options for independent contractors and companies. Now, let's say you're a large company who wants to have Ken out to visit your location. He does audits of your site to make sure everything is set up the way that it should be. He does driver ride-alongs. We've had quite a few companies choose this option. It's a lot of fun. He does a live on-site training as well with the entire class. So these are a great option as well, and people seem to love these. We've got a bunch of different options on here, and then photos. Feel free to give us a call as always if you're confused on any of this. We are very happy to have our new website up and running. We hope that you find it visually pleasing and easy to navigate. And we're always open to feedback as well. So, feel free to reach out anytime, give us a call, let us know how you're enjoying the website or if you need some help navigating it, and we will get you taken care of. That's going to be it for today, and we appreciate you guys tuning in.